Good day, Mr. Brown. So I am Latisha Kalam, Saffron's sister, and this is Saffron mother, Doreen Kalam. So today we're here to show you a big appreciation for what you have done for Saffron. We really appreciate it because our mother could not afford it. We could not afford it because she go through a lot for us. She had 6 kids. This is Saffron is the last one, and the struggle is real. Right. So she used to sell at the Southern Market at once. She used to drive around and sell food, and they want to work with you.
And they do a lot of work in the hotel industries and domestic helpers and all of that. But I'm the last to help Saffron out in this pandemic time. I am done because I am sick. So I really appreciate your help at this present moment. And we all say thank you.
At one point, she also, I can remember,
when she traveled to Negril.
she always, at one point we don't really have her in our life because she at work, and at one point she used to sell her body.
She work in idea, then gone Negril in the night.
She used to sell her body.
No.
She used to prostitute.
Good.
She work at the
Yeah, she used to work at the bridge.